One awesome thing that's built into MA3 that was not in MA2 that I absolutely love is swipeys, where you click and drag and you have these options at your fingertips. Of course, there's also things like the option to long press to store something, and then I can easily delete it like that. Another tool you can use is keyboard shortcuts. You just turn them on by clicking on this icon here, and you can turn them off the same way. And if you use these all the time, you can pretty easily learn what the shortcuts are, and they'll save you a ton of time. If you want to check and see what they are, you can always go to here, and you'll see them on the buttons when shortcuts are enabled. You can also customize the shortcuts for yourself if the built-in ones don't work for you or you want some additional ones. Just right-click on the shortcuts button, and you can change any of these. But another cool tool I like to use is just my keyboard without shortcuts. And the way I do that is, you'll notice if you're typing macros, for instance, or commands, that if you put in certain letters, it defaults to certain keywords without you having to type in the whole keyword. And you'll learn those things, especially if you're writing commands a lot. Because I do this all the time, I've gotten really familiar with some that I use all the time. So instead of using the shortcuts, in which case I'll often try to be typing in something that I don't know the shortcut for and have it putting in shortcuts I don't want, I like to just use the shortcuts in the command line, and for example, that will turn off plugin 5. As always, one of the most awesome things about MA3 is the versatility to any individual's workflow. All of these tools are handy so that you can pick whichever ones you want to make your workflow work for you.